Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, my dear friends? I hope you all are good and are enjoying well. I know I have came after a very few days because I was very busy. In fact, I was sad. I am upset from my life. So I cannot make videos. But today I have thought that I should make a video for you. Okay friends, there. Today I have came with a latest and a beautiful, very easy, very simple mehndi designs for girls. Because today mehndi is on very trending. Every girl like mehndi. Okay, this one is very beautiful and recently I have applied this design on my cousin, and this is too much easy and beautiful. I have thought that I will make mehndi on my own hand and I will share my mehndi design video with you. Okay friends, if you like my video then please subscribe, like my channel, subscribe my YouTube channel. Next we will meet soon. Okay friends, take care.